Namaskar students, hope you people are fine and in good health. Today we will be revising lesson 2. Most of you have done this chapter earlier, but let's revise it once again. And those who have missed it by any chance can revise it now. Southern mountains include the Himalayas and the Karakoram mountain ranges. They stretch across the northern boundary of India. The Himalayan range is the highest mountain ranges in the world. The word Himalaya means the adobe of snow. Now, what is adobe? Adobe is a house. Most of the Himalayan peaks remain covered with snow throughout the year. The Himalayan ranges in India stretch from Jammu and Kashmir in the north to Arunachal Pradesh in the northeast. The Himalayas consist of three parallel ranges: the Greater Himalayas, HIMADRI, the Lesser Himalayas, HIMACHAL, and the Outer Himalayas, Shivalik. Several glaciers originate from these mountains. Some rivers such as Ganga and Yamuna also originate from these glaciers. Now let's talk about the HIMADRI range. The HIMADRI range is the longest continuous mountain range, dominates a large section of Himalayas. The HIMADRI range is the northernmost range of the Himalayas. Its total length is about 2005 km. It is between 150 km to 400 km wide and forms a natural boundary between India and China. It is the highest range with an average altitude of over 6,000 meters. The range is always covered with snow as there is heavy snowfall. At some places, huge mass of ice move down the mountain slopes, which are called glaciers. These glaciers later form rivers which have water throughout the year. These rivers are called perennial rivers, and Ganga and Yamuna are one of them. Mount Everest and Kanchenjunga are also found here. In this range, vegetation like mosses and lichens are found. In some part, farming is not possible in this range. The middle or lesser Himalayas, the Himachal range. The Himachal range extends from west to east with an average altitude of 3,700 meters to 4,500 meters and a width of about 80 kilometers. The Himachal is lower than Himadri. The mountain range has some beautiful valleys. What is a valley? A valley is a V-shaped place between two mountains. This mountain range has some beautiful valleys such as Chamba, Kullu and Kangra. The famous hill stations like Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Almora and Darjeeling are located in this range. People come to these hill stations during summers. Most important, mountain pass. Now, what are mountain pass? The gap between two mountain ranges are mountain pass. The mountain pass like Rohtang and Jojila of Himachal Pradesh are found in this region. The Himachal range has thick forests that are covered with pine, oak, deodar and fir trees. The climate of this region is suitable for cultivation. Winters are cold and summer are cool and pleasant. The lower slopes of these ranges are orchards. Tea plantation are found in the eastern part of this range. So that's all for today. We will be reading more about northern mountains in the next class. That will be Shivalik range and the importance of northern mountains. Till then, stay inside and keep yourself safe.